You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.
So now let's start with lab number 62. In lab number 62, we are deleting this entire infrastructure. So I start from ADDS first. Now you might be thinking, okay, hey, why are we doing that? Why is he going from ADDS? Generally Anand goes from workstation and backwards, but this time because we are deleting the infrastructure, it doesn't really matter. So I'm going to just click on power off directly. And once it is done, right click, manage, delete from disk, and select yes. Same thing. I'll be repeating the same exact step for all of my VMs. Irrespective of what the VM is, I'll be deleting them from the disk just like this. So this way, I don't have to worry about my resources being consumed. And by the way, from the next few labs onwards, we will be working with an entirely new infrastructure, things that are completely different. So for that very purpose, we would need to ensure that all of this is completely gone. We don't have straggling or any underlying infrastructure that could end up managing or interfering with our existing infrastructure. So you can see I'm just powering off the machine. I just power off the machine, right click, manage, delete from disk. That's it. And that is how I get rid of my entire infrastructure. So all the time and effort that you might have spent taking screenshots and everything, or snapshots, is going to be completely wiped off at this point, and that is because we are creating a entirely new infrastructure now, which cannot coexist with this type of infrastructure for many reasons. And one of the main reasons for that is resource and space constraints. You would not have enough resources to actually be doing the next few labs with these VMs running in the background or these VMs already stored on your disk. That is why we want to get rid of all of this infrastructure. And that is also the end of this lab here. I'll see you in the next lab. Now be prepared that we are going to build a bigger infrastructure. So be prepared and make sure that your laptops are healthy. Thank you.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.